Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar, cricket coach from School of India. India will never get a better slogan to cheer you. Champions never complain, they train hard. Come on, champs, we hope all of you make Indian flag fly high in Tokyo Olympics. Play well, good luck. Jai Hind.
This Olympics, let's hope our Indian contingent brings more medals and more glory to India. Come on, India, cheer for India.
It is not the best players that win, but the best team that wins. Go out there and make our India proud, and I wish you the best of luck.
Hi everyone, let's cheer for India. All Indian athletes, all the best. Win more gold medals. Let's cheer for India.
I'm here to wish all the athletes and players from Team India competing in the Tokyo Olympics 2020 the best of luck. Just know that we'll be cheering for you from the sidelines. Come on, India, let's cheer for India.
Wishing the Indian Olympic contingent a good luck. Let's go India. Jai Hind.
Wishing the very best of luck to all the Indian athletes participating in the Tokyo Olympics 2021.
Passion first and everything will fall into place. We won't buy gold, we'll earn it. Let's go Team India.
Hello, my name is Dinakaran Sundaresan and as a citizen of India, I'd like to wish the Indian team good luck in the Tokyo Olympics.
Come on India, let's cheer for India. Go India, shine high India. India, 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 India.
India, India. All the best to all the Olympic participants. Wish you all the best.
School of India and wishing all the participants participating in the Tokyo Olympics all the very best. Play well.
Cheer for India, shine bright India.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhavika Reddy from School of India. Here I am to cheer all Indian athletics who are participating in Tokyo 2021-22. All the best India, let's cheer India.
I am Aditya from School of India and I would like to put out a message to all the athletes at this year's Olympics. All the best. Bring it home guys.
Hi, I'm Shraddha from School of India and I think that we all know how much hard work and effort is put in to get till the Olympics. So, I'm here to wish all the athletes representing Team India in the Olympics Tokyo 2021 a very good luck. Let's go India, cheer for India.
Hi, I'm Sujay from School of India and here is a quote which everyone should know. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. And good luck to all the participants who are participating in this Olympics.
Wishing all the Indian Olympic athletes all the very best at the Olympics. Kill it.
I'm Franklin from School of India, wishing Team India all the best for the Olympics. Bring it home. Come on India.
You're fast. You've risen to formidable heights. You're strong. Go Team India. Bring home the glory. Citius, Altius, Fortius.
Hi, I'm Samak from School of India. Here's a message for everyone. If you allow yourself to the dream, you can do anything. And I'm wishing all the good luck to the participants who's participating in Olympics 2021. Thank you.
I'm here to wish all the participants who are participating in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Play hard, play smart. Know that we'll be cheering for you. All the best.
Wishing the athletes all the very best for the Olympic Games. Let's cheer India together and hope they bring home many medals and prizes.
India, India. Come on India. Jump, skip, run, hit and win. All the best to our Indian athletes for Tokyo Olympics 2020. Jai Hind.
This is Akhil from School of India and I wish all the participants all the best for the upcoming Olympics.
Cheer for India, come on!
All the best to all the Indian athletes competing in the Tokyo Olympics 2021. We know that these are some tough times, yet you guys are giving it your all. Together, let's cheer for India.
A very good luck to the Indian team for the Tokyo Olympics. A victory punch from my side. Jai Hind.
Hello, I'm Priyanshu Shetty from School of India and I'm here to wish all the Indian athletes all the very best for the upcoming Tokyo Olympics 2021.
This is Harshada and wishing Team India the very best of luck for the 2021 Olympic Games. Let's go India.
All the best Team India. Let's go for gold.
Hi, I'm Mahesh, Physical Education Teacher, School of India. We are supporting, we're all participating in the Tokyo Olympics. Cheer for India.
All the best Team India for Tokyo Olympics. Play well.
India, India. Come on India. You can do it. We're always there with you. We are proud of you.
Watch out for our Indian athletes at Tokyo Olympics 2021. Let's go India. All the best India.
उत्तिष्ठत् जागृत प्राप्य वरान्य बोधयत्. Let's rock India. Chak de fatte. India, 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 India.
Cheer for India. Go India. All the best India. Jai Hind.
Cheer for India. All the very best for all the players of our country. Good luck.
We can do it. Chak the India.
Dear Team India, we appreciate the effort of each one of you and wish you all the very best.
Wishing Team India all the very best. The nation will be cheering you all.
Cheer for India. Go India. All the best India.
हिंदुस्तानी के हम जीते हमारी हर नज्म में. Go India, go.
Cheer for India. Go India. All the best India.
Chak de India.
All the best India.
All the best. Go India.
All the best. Go India.
All the best India.
All the best Team India.
Cheer for India.
Cheer for India. All the best.
Cheer for India.
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 One nation, one goal. Go India, go.
Cheer for India.